Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to talk about printf in C, and we're just going to use it to print out a couple strings to the screen. So I'm going to create a file using Control-X, Control-F. I'm on Emacs, by the way. Printf.c, and I'm going to include my standard header and then have my main function. Okay. In the main, I have my opening and closing curly braces, and at the end of the function, I'll return 0. Okay. To use printf, I just type printf, and then I can type my string. So I'm going to type a string about my favorite TV show, which is Supernatural. I'm going to say Dean is the coolest character on Supernatural. And in the previous video, I also created another line, so let's do that. Printf Castiel is the coolest, or not the coolest, is also a cool character, something like that. And then I'll close each of these lines with a semicolon. Let's save it. Now, when I compile and run this isn't going to look the same as the other program. I'll show you what I mean in a moment. So let's run eShell. And let's compile this, and we'll call this printf.c. We'll output just printf. Okay, and now we'll run it. And you notice all these lines are together, and then the prompt here is right after this. So with printf, the difference I'm trying to illustrate here is that we have to, at the end of each of these lines, have an escape character and an end to bring it down to the new line. Now, printf is probably going to be used quite a bit more than puts, but you do have to do that with printf. So now, let's compile this again, and let's run it again. And now you see it looks a lot like the program we wrote in the previous video with puts. So we have Dean as the coolest character on Supernatural on his own line. We use that escape end to move down to the next line. Castiel is also a cool character. Another escape end, and here's the prompt again. Anyways, that's what I wanted to illustrate in this video with printf. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. It really does help the channel grow. Also, I'll include my social links in the links below in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.